Today I will teach everyone how to use the calculator's mode, which is statistical data.
The M.
Order, which is statistical data. First, press the arrow on the mole, then 4ST monologue. LLOKERECONC means you need to do some statistics. How do I find men? First, we went to this ST. And I press as high 9 states. The stick press it. ERDATOKER. Be sure not to press the LDAT or it will delete the program. And clear the previous data, then you can enter new data again. How to enter data? Take this table as.
An example.
First, for example, this is 11, which appears twice. 1. Semicolon represents one has 2 boundaries. Then MM plus means you entered 1 data. The second is 2 with 12. 2 SHIFF is like 12. M grid not entered 2, you still need to enter.
First.
Even if you accidentally turn off the machine, the data is still here. Press SHIP21. This symbol is the minor average. You see the data on this machine is still here. So if you accidentally press the wrong button, you're still here, press it again, and those things will come out. This man is 3.4. Line GR edit. Yeah. No need to use that FORM and the RDIV, IDO, and the ATO, and then continue. On it's MLIA and
MNDML.
I dance everyone. Press 1 is UMB ACIO no FFX2 is 2023, which is how many data entries you made.
ASER3 has 49.
Alright, this video ends here. If you want to watch more updated channels, please press the subscribe button and the bell next to the subscribe button. Press the bell, remember this bell.